The Samsung Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56 are two upcoming mid-range smartphones set to launch around mid-March 2025. If you're considering upgrading your device, it's important to understand what each model has to offer and how they compare. Let's break it down and help you decide which one fits your needs best. Starting with performance, the Galaxy A36 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. This processor is designed to handle everyday tasks efficiently and can support moderate multitasking without any major slowdowns. On the other hand, the Galaxy A56 is equipped with Samsung's in-house Exynos 1580 chipset, which delivers better performance, especially for gaming and resource-intensive applications. If you're someone who enjoys mobile gaming or uses power-hungry apps, the Galaxy A56 might be the better choice. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy A36 features a 6.64-inch Super AMOLED panel with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures fluid scrolling and vibrant colors, making it great for media consumption. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A56 takes it up a notch with a slightly larger 6.65-inch dynamic AMOLED display. While both models offer the same refresh rate, the A56 provides superior brightness and color accuracy, which can be particularly noticeable when watching videos or using the phone outdoors. When it comes to cameras, the Galaxy A36 sports a triple lens setup on the rear, consisting of a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens for capturing close-up shots. The front-facing camera is a 12-megapixel sensor, ideal for selfies and video calls. In contrast, the Galaxy A56 comes with a more advanced quad-camera system, including a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 8-megapixel telephoto lens for zooming in on distant subjects, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor to enhance portrait shots. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the 50-megapixel front camera, which ensures detailed and high-quality self-portraits. Battery life is crucial, and both models are equipped with a solid 5000 mAh battery. They also support 45-watt fast charging, allowing you to quickly power up your device when needed. This is a significant improvement over their predecessors and ensures that you can get through a full day of usage with ease. Now, let's talk pricing. The Galaxy A36 is expected to be priced between $300 to $350, making it a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance and features. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A56 is likely to be available for around $400, offering better specifications for those who are willing to spend a little more. If you're looking for a cost-effective smartphone that handles daily tasks well and offers a reliable camera system, the Galaxy A36 is a great choice. A 67 rating for dust and water resistance, adding an extra layer of durability. All these features make the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G an appealing choice for those who want a well-rounded mid-range smartphone with a balance of performance, design, and value. That wraps up our comparison of the Samsung Galaxy A36 and A56. Which one do you think suits your needs best? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards,